I'm tripping everyone, man. Stop tripping, Nate. Hi. Man, it is quite the toasty in here. Hello. We're making sawdust, working on the vanities. I prepped up all of the master vanity. There's two different styles going on. One vanity, which is master, is gonna have two drawers, top and bottom, but I need to do the whole skeleton first. I'm gonna install the cabinet body onto the wall, do all the plumbing, then start working on the actual drawers of it. But without wasting time, I'm moving back and forth because I'm essentially doing the same process. A new day. Going back and forth whether or not I want to just finish one vanity, see the pros and cons on that, see how I can improve the process. And then, yeah, so we'll see. Anyways, that's not important. I'm gonna sit you down here and then we're gonna get going. Okay, finished making. This is the back side. This is basically what I will attach to the wall. That was annoyance. Had to trace, cut, check, measure, cut again. Also, I did some practice pieces on the dominoes to make sure we're on the same page and everything goes smooth and I don't have any mishaps. All my pieces are all cut. I have my cross rails, everything. Now I just have to go boom, 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 bada boom, and apply the glue. Or I think I'm gonna assemble everything and then apply the glue, see how everything looks. First coat of the finish is complete. I'm gonna let that dry, sand, and then apply a second coat. My plan is actually finished. So the actual carcass of the vanity is done. I want to install it. Then I want to actually install the plumbing, so then I'm able to know my dimensions and what I need and how can I build the actual drawer based off of the plumbing. The IKEA faucet and plumbing is very good because it allows all of the components to be kind of squished to the back and you're able to actually have drawers. I don't know the actual width and how it's going to actually play out, so I figured it's probably best for my first install to install the carcass onto the wall, the actual sink on top, and all the plumbing, and then I'm able to kind of go off of that and go from there. Once that is complete, I'm able to do both of the drawers, then move on to my bigger vanity, which has a slight different design. I'm not taking breaks. It's super toasty in the shop. Even with all the windows open, I'm sweating. Finishing up the second bathroom vanity. Installed it. Didn't really show it just because there's a lot of grunts, frustration. But it's up. It's secure. The water system is all installed. The drain is all installed. Everything works well. Made a mistake on the first vanity. Typical Nate. So I had to go with the system of a push to open drawer pull in order to fix that mistake. But because the second bathroom doesn't actually need that system, but I bought it anyways. So it doesn't really work as well as I would like, but it's okay. Man, the shop is a mess. I'm jumping in between projects. I have trim over here, I have paint over there, I have drywall over there. I'm happy to say the house, it's wrapping up. That's the word. So, where's my plywood? Let's bring that out of the stack and then finish this. Ran out of plywood, so one's gonna be a little wider than the other, but I don't think it actually matters because it's gonna be in the back. So if you're wondering, hey man, something looks a little off. So the box is made. Man, I can't wait to get rid of this hideous background in the shop. But, okay, the box is made. The drawer is small because it's fitting right under the sink. Doesn't really matter, it's just to hold the box together. I'm going to glue everything and then pin nail everything together. Let that dry. While I do that, while this dries, I'm going to pick out of my stash of leftover lumber, which is in there, and it's enough to fit one drawer. what an incredible transformation. It feels good finally getting from a project to now at home. Feels good to be done with a complete bathroom remodel from the start to finish. The master bathroom, incredible transformation. It's a ginormous shower. I love it. I'm still not completed with it though. I definitely wanted to install the glass this year, but I just doesn't look like I can get to it. I'm really busy with life and things, so I'm gonna hold off on that. The rod and the curtain works just fine. So, but it feels good to finally just wrap things up and not have to worry about constantly working on this house. I am very grateful for this opportunity to have learned all of this, to do tile for the first time, to build a vanity for the first time, to figure all this styling and just work and everything. It was an awesome experience. It was hard as heck, a lot more involved than I anticipated. You want to know a funny story? I was like, how hard could it be? I bought this house in November, which I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary on this house. I bought it in November. I was like, I'll have flooring in by the beginning of the year. Easy. Yeah, no. So I learned a lot. I feel grateful as we're kind of wrapping up the remodel. This was the biggest before and after the kitchen, and this was just a total transformation. Thank you for watching. Until next time, BeeNeh.